People are creating videos using Sora 2 and uploading them on YouTube, getting millions of views, and earning thousands of dollars every month. And if you still have not received access to Sora 2, then do not worry. First, look at this as proof. This video is 15 seconds long. And this video is 10 seconds long.
Thank you, Adam AI, for writing this amazing prompt. And thanks to Sora 2, I'm exploring this incredible desert today.
I have created all these videos using Sora 2. You can also create videos using Sora 2. You do not need any invite code. You do not need any subscription. You can use Sora 2 completely free and for unlimited time. And just like other YouTubers, you can also create high-quality videos. For this, you must watch this video completely without skipping. Only then this will be possible. First, you need to search for Daigen on the Chrome browser and click on this website. I explained all this in the previous video as well, but some people did not understand the complete process. So that is why I am now giving a complete step-by-step guide. Now here we will click on Profile, scroll a little down, and click on Sign Up for free. Now look here. We can create an account using any temporary email or our Google Gmail. For that, we will open a second tab, search for Temp Mail, and come to this website. Now what you need to do here is delete the existing temporary email by clicking on Delete below. Then copy the new fresh email that appears and paste it here. Then click on Send Code. A code will be sent to our temporary email, which we will open, copy the code from there, then go back to where we need to paste the code, paste it, and click on Continue with Gmail. Now look, here we need to enter a good password that meets this website's requirements. So I will enter a password. We need to enter the same password here as well, and click on Done. Then our account will be created. As soon as the new account is created, we will get 300 credits here. But before learning how we can use Sora 2 here, first understand how we can earn more credits here. First, we will click on Credits, scroll down a little, and click here. Then you will find all the ways through which you can earn credits. Here you also get 120 credits for daily login, which is very good. Now, to use Sora 2, we will click on Create. Here you will find many models that are free except Veo 3. Why that is, I will explain later. Now we will click on Sora 2 here. Now here, we will paste our prompt with which we want to create the video. Then from here, we can select whether we want to make a 15-second video or a 10-second video. Then we can select the aspect ratio here. And as soon as we click here, our video will start generating. And when the video is generated, we can click here and download it. Now, if you watch this video, you will see that there is a watermark here. How to remove this watermark, I will explain that later as well. But before that, let us first see why you also cannot generate videos using Veo 3. If we select Veo 3 from here and paste the prompt here and click on Generate, then it tells us that we need to buy its premium version. That is why we cannot generate videos using Veo 3 for free. This website also has an app, which makes working even easier. So after downloading it from the App Store, we will create an account on it, which you already know how to do. So now at the top, we will click on Create. Here you will again find Sora 2, Veo 3, and Nano Banana. But here as well, you cannot use Veo 3. You can only use Sora 2. So for that, we will click on Sora 2. And after pasting the prompt here, we will select the time and aspect ratio, and then click here. So our video will start generating, which we can click here to see how much has been generated. And when your video is generated, we will click on Download and download it. So now let us see how you can remove its watermark. For that, you need to download this application. After downloading, we will open it and click on Select Video, and whichever video we want to remove the watermark from, we will select it. Then we will adjust this box over the watermark like this and click on Done and select 1080p and click on Export. So the watermark will be removed from the video. Then the video will look something like this. So you have learned how to use Sora 2, but do you know that with the help of Veo 3, we can also create long videos? If you do not know, then you should watch this video of mine, in which I have explained everything in detail.